Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my channel. Oh, who is she? Yes, she's Shinza, and today Shinza going to tell you about digraph. So let us start to learn digraph with Shinza. Th sound. Th sound. Do you know how t and h become a friend? So let us start to learn about them with me. Once upon a time, t was playing on the stairs and t fell down. T have bumpty on his head and t sound is going to cry. Suddenly, her sound came and asked, Duh, what happened with you? Duh described that I'm tired to play alone. And do you know, after hearing this, Duh and her became friends like Duh and her. And after becoming a friend, they become a digraph. That's why we call them th sound. Th sound. Th think. Th think. Th think. Th think. Th thin. Th thin. Th thin. Th thick. Th thick. Th thick. Th thick. Th thunder. Th thunder. Th thunder. Th thunder. Th thank you. Th thank you. Th thank. Th thank. Th thorn. Th thorn. Th thorn. Th thorn. Th throw. Th throw. Th throw. Th throw. Th three. Th three. Th three. Th three. Th thread. Th thread. Th thread. Th thread. Th thirsty. Th thirsty. Th thirsty. Th thirsty. Th thermometer. Th thermometer. Th thermometer. Th thermometer. Th thief. Th thief. Th thief. Th thief. Th throat. Th throat. Th throat. Th throat. Th thermos. Th thermos. Th thermos. Th thermos. Th thumb. Th thumb. Th thumb. Th thumb. Th Thursday. Th Thursday. Th Thursday. Th Thursday. Say Allah Hafiz to Shinza everyone. If you like this channel, so don't forget to subscribe it and like it. Jazakallah.